Dear audience, so this is a short quiz for a CISCO SMBS 700-250 exam, module number 6. So the module number 6 about securing the modern workplace. So the most of the question would be related to the security. So we can expect more about security and learn the security aspects of the Cisco devices. So which digital security solution is not primarily focused on protecting the devices from cyber attacks? So the first option is endpoint protection, network security, data encryption, and the fourth is identity and access management. So the question is about negation, not primarily focused. So the answer is C. So the data encryption primarily focus on data protection itself, not directly on device security. So this is the so because encryption is related to the to the data and software, while on the device security, the most important things could be like about like firewalls and intrusion detection system and intrusion prevention system. Which physical security solution help manage visitor access and restrict unauthorized entries? So the first is fire alarm system, secure Wi-Fi access, access control system, environmental monitoring sensors. So the answer is access control system specifically manage physical access and entry points. Number three, what strategy is least effective for cross-selling secure solution in SMBS market? So cross-selling is mean that with some product, if you buy another product, that's called cross-selling. And upselling is mean that when you upgrade, you're selling from the low value things to the high value things. So the answer is prestige is less impactful than the practicality and cost effectiveness for the budget conscious SCPS. So as I told you that when the word prestige comes, that is the most probable answer as well. That's a tip for you. The fourth question is how can secure solution benefit the healthcare industry? So you can see in the option there is a one clue which is the HIPAA regulations. Most probably the C could be the answer. Yes, the C is the answer. Protecting patients' data is crucial requirements for healthcare organization. Fifth question is what is the key factor for successfully adapting secure solution to different industries and verticals? Okay. So verticals are those industry which are specialized to work with a certain industry. So they are not like working with the other public or masses, but they are like specifically attached with the certain industries. So the answer is C. Adaptability and catering to the industry specific needs are crucial for effective implementation. Yes, there's a bonus question for you. Describe one specific feature or service offered by your company that help SMBS address a key security challenge within their specific industry. Well done and see you in the module number 6 quiz in the next video.